I hope me in Konya. Okay. So first video I went through quickly with Miaba Coda, which is this. With yeah, let me run. I think I figured this. So let me run. Okay, so this is the page. Remember page yeah. So nakwa mata link the fear says this is just a link. When you click on it, it will open it in a new web page. I open it a blank window. So let me give you an example. Then click if you click HTML tutorial, it will open it in a new so we still have remember lesson 5 screener, and then we have this one new, but number where is it? Number change it if I don't put any target there. Let me show you. Save. Let me go back here and refresh. Okay, let me see. All right, if you're number click here, it should open it in the same page. Probably right now, lesson 5 page Joe. So that is the difference. That's the difference. So here, I will just put it back up here. Okay, so if you want to open a new tab, then you use your target and use new blank. Yeah, so go and learn how the target works. There are different values. You can use top, you can use bottom, you can use blank. Go and look for that. And then also we learn how to add external CSS. So this is the CSS document. So this is how a normal CSS works. So here then I also made an image clickable. So this is the image. I don't have an image there, so I want you guys maybe practice how to put an image there and make it clickable. Remember, you just have to create an H tag and put a ref in there, reference where you want it to go. This is just a placeholder, so you from where you want it to go. You can we can even use the same as we can do HTML. We can do lesson 5.2.html. So so now click this image. It will take us to lesson 5, which is this file. It will take us here. Okay, so you put your image inside an A tag. So this is our image M here. This is our image tag here. We put it inside a tag, which is here. There's A. Okay, and so when you click on the image, it will take you to the lesson 5 page. So this is it. So there were lesson 5. So if you click here, takes us to this. Welcome to a second page where we will learn more about forms in the next lesson. Okay, so this is our second page. Okay, so also if you want to make the second page to open, if you want to make the second page to open in a new tab, you have to use target, right? Like we use here. Okay, just use targets and put it here, and it will open in a new tab. Yeah. Okay, so now I try to make another link and add some text, and then I put a piece of text that Majibana click here, and I will take you to the second page. So for example, here, Lafia, I said to learn more about me, click here. So this click here text is in an A tag. So where is it? So this click here is inside this A tag. So the P tag itself is this. This is just the P tag itself. Okay. Then I put inside it. I put A tag, and then I put some text inside the A tag. So which is click here. So I said to learn more about me, click here. So that's what you have here. To learn more about me, click here. This is the one inside the A tag. So when you click on it, it will take you to page 2. Okay, let me go back. And then I also did the same thing. I just put the click here first before the the rest of the text. So let's check that out. So here I'm gonna call H tag avagba, then the rest of the text inside the P tag. So I just move this H a tag to the beginning of the p tag, where here it's at the end of the p tag. Okay, here it's at the end, here it's at the beginning. That's it. And here I am saying that when you click on this, it will take you to this page, which is not the page, this object, which object is called T01. It is this table, right? This table. So I'm saying, but when you click here to go to the table, and this is the table. So let's say this table was way in the bottom here. If you click on it, it will take you to the bottom here. Okay, whatever the item is, whatever this item called ID is, it will take you there. Okay, so that is how it works. So you can navigate within your own page, like here, specifically to an ID in some other element, or you can navigate away to a different HTML document, or you can navigate to another web page outside on the internet. Okay, so we learned 3 ways to navigate now. Okay, and then we covered how a table works. So table, you have to have a table, you have to have a caption if you want it. Caption is not mandatory, it's optional, right? For example, we have a table here, so monthly saving is the caption. All right, so monthly saving in your caption, and then each table has a row. So each row TR or we are in this in this. Okay, this is a row, this is another row, this is another row, and these are columns. This is a column, this is a column, and this is another column. So each row we put things in each row. So in the first row we put th, which is the table heading, which is this black one, first name last name, your table heading. And then we follow it is another row which contains 3 data cells. So this is the row, Yao Senyo 50, followed by another row again, Eloms Holanyo 94, and then another row, Kofi Mauli 85. So each of these table rows contains information, data. That's what it is. All right. So now in our CSS style, I use the table ID, table ID call caller. So I'm saying, but TR, if the TR is an even TR, if it is even, give it this color. If it is odd, give it this color. That's why table look like that. So if it is even, give it a white color. If it is odd is what? 1, 3, 5, 7. All the evens are like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That let me add more cells. Let me say I just add one more cell to this. Okay, let me copy this one and paste here, and I say Komla. Okay, Komla, and I'll say Mausi, and this person is just 21 years old. Okay, all right. So now I'm gonna save it here, and I go back here. I'm gonna refresh your page. See, so the even cells are white, the non-even ones are like gray. So this is even, this is even, this is non-even, this is odd, this is odd. That's the way this works. That's the way I set this one to work. So the odd ones are white, the even ones are white, the odd ones are gray. Okay, and so this is it. Then heading mana heading black color with the text color color value are white. So color text color is white, the background is black. That is what. And then the image, I must set image width height here also inside the image tag. So I'm just calling the image tag. So this, it will look inside this document. Wait, it will look inside the HTML5 document and look for all the IMs, and I only have one IM. So it will apply that value to this. It will apply this style to this IM. So now have multiple IMI, it will apply to all of them. But if you want it to apply to only one IM, then use an ID. So put an ID here and give it some name, and then here refer to the ID instead of using this. So if you have an ID, then you use star the ID, right? Let's use star ID and then give it there. Whatever ID you give it. Be strong here last lesson, so I don't want to spend too much time on it. All right, so Emma, so go and practice how to navigate between your page to other pages or to other website, and within your one page, a single page also, and then learn to create a table. Okay, remember a table starts with a table element followed by caption if you want it. If you don't want it, fine. Then you have to, everything in the table must be in a table row. Better table row. Now also go and look at the table and how I put I use CSS styling, padding, text align, border collapse, border. Go and W3 School. I explain. If you have questions about this, check W3 School, or we can. If you have any questions, put it in the group, WhatsApp group. Okay. Also, local blonde. We'll spend more time on CSS and CSS styling. Maybe one of the videos we'll do this week or next week. We'll spend more time on CSS. Though it will make sense what these things are: border collapse, padding, and text align. We'll go in depth into these things. Okay. All right. So this is it, and this is the web page I created. So this is via image layer, but since I don't have any image there, that's why you don't see any image. But the click still works. Make with that. So for your Stadia, make sure you add an image here, okay, and recreate this page and do it, okay. Go to create. So you have to create two pages, okay. So that's what we learned this week. This is part 2. Part 1, I just tried to explain the code, but this is the second part. All right, thank you guys, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.